Have you ever spotted a bird and thought that would make a stunning hair accessory? Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the hairy woodpecker. Let's draw inspiration from nature and create something beautiful to wear. Nature is a treasure trove of inspiration, and the hairy woodpecker exemplifies this perfectly. Its vibrant colors and striking patterns can elevate your style while connecting you to the natural world. Plus, crafting your own accessories is a fun and creative way to express yourself and show appreciation for wildlife. 1. The hairy woodpecker is renowned for its eye-catching black and white feathers, which can inspire gorgeous designs. These colors can be easily incorporated into your hair accessories, lending them a natural and elegant flair. Point 2. By using feathers that are naturally shed or ethically sourced, your accessories can be both beautiful and environmentally friendly. This approach supports sustainable practices while celebrating the art of nature. 3. Whether you prefer a simple hairpin or a more elaborate headband, the patterns and textures of the hairy woodpecker's feathers can be tailored to suit any style. You can create something that truly reflects your personality. Point 4. Crafting with natural materials allows you to appreciate the beauty of the outdoors in a personal way. Every time you wear your creation, you'll be reminded of the nature that inspires you. 5. Once you've crafted your accessories, don't hesitate to show them off. Share your designs on social media, tag your friends, and inspire others to incorporate nature into their fashion choices. 1. You'll need ethically sourced hairy woodpecker feathers, a hair clip or headband base, glue, and optional embellishments like beads or gems. 2. Arrange the feathers in a pattern you love. Take your time and enjoy the creative process. 3. Use strong glue to secure the feathers to your base, ensuring everything is firmly in place. 4. If you want, add beads or gems to make it uniquely yours. 5. Allow your creation to dry completely before wearing it. Always ensure the feathers you use are ethically sourced. This respects wildlife and keeps your accessories eco-friendly. Make sure your feathers are glued down well. You don't want them falling off while you're out and about. Keep it simple. Sometimes, less is more when it comes to DIY accessories. And there you have it. By transforming the beauty of the hairy woodpecker into wearable art, you're not just creating a hair accessory, you're celebrating nature. If you enjoyed this DIY idea, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Happy crafting, sure. Hey, race the tightened version of your script chunk, nature with you, reminding others of the importance of wildlife conservation. 5. Once you've crafted your accessories, be sure to share them. Whether on social media or with friends, showcasing your creations can inspire others to connect with nature and try their hand at crafting. 1. You'll need hairy woodpecker feathers. Just remember to source them ethically, hair clips or bands, glue, and some decorative beads or charms for a personal touch. 2. Gently clean the feathers and trim them if needed to fit your design. 3. Use glue to secure the feathers onto your hair clips or bands, layering them for extra flair. 4. Glue on beads or charms to personalize your accessory. 5. Allow your creation to dry completely before wearing it out. Always ensure that the feathers you use are ethically collected to respect wildlife and their habitats. Remember, less is more. Overusing glue can make your accessory look messy and weigh down the feathers. Make sure to let everything dry properly. Rushing this step can lead to your accessories falling apart when you wear them. And there you have it. With just a few materials and a bit of creativity, you can transform the beauty of the hairy woodpecker into stunning